I'm hoping it's as good as my 1080p Goodman's action camera, because that was quite a shock. I bought that from B&M Bargains and that was for £15 also. I got this from Argos and it was also £15. Welcome to another episode of Zulf Talks Photography. So today I'm going to be showing you this Argos Vibe 1080p action camera. If you're familiar with my videos, you will know I've done a few comparisons of 1080p action cameras. Two of them are here. So if you're looking for a budget, cheap action camera, make sure to check out those videos. One is a Goodman's 1080p action camera, which you can check up in the cards. And another one is the 4K action camera. The Goodman's was bought from B&M Bargains in the UK. And the 4K action camera was bought from eBay online from a Chinese manufacturer. As you can see the details about that. It was a big disappointment. So I'll save you watching the video. There's a couple of videos about that when I tested it as a live stream camera as well. But anyway, you're here for the Vibe action camera. So what I'll do is I'll link you to a full playlist of action camera videos that I've made, because if you're in the market, you probably want to check out what else is available. And Argos, this is the Argos kind of range. It's made in USA, looking at the details, because the Vibe copyright is registered as a DGL group, which is in Edison, USA. But I'm assuming they've made them for Argos. So what I'll do is I'll get this open quickly. I won't do you an unboxing because there's loads of those videos, but I'll basically show you what's in the box, what I think of the quality in comparison to the 4K and the 1080p actions camera, Goodman's one. So you'll see how that, okay, so this is slightly different. The box is a lot thinner, and it comes with the usual things. So I'll put that, let's put that nicely so you can see it. It's the Vibe. In that comes a plastic tray. In the plastic tray you get, it's quite tightly, the action camera itself. Looks a very similar setup to my other action cameras. One button on the front for mode, one on top, and two for the menus. And the case looks slightly different, but I'm just assuming that's the molding and stuff. So let's just get the camera out. Oh, it's quite, that was a tight seal, I heard it release there. Okay, so this one has a Wi-Fi capabilities where you can link it to your phone. And I'm looking online, I can see there's a few reviews of this and people aren't happy with the battery life. So I'll do a comparison of that as well. I may link that in a separate video, or I might make it part of this. Let's just turn the camera on. I won't bore you with all these other accessories. You get the standard cable, skeleton case, and the mounting kind of things, which I'll link to another video where I show you how to mount these and how to make best use of it. So has this come on yet? No, it hasn't. So let's see, if I keep that pressed, will it come on? Or is the battery totally dead? Can I swap the battery? Because I know my other camera's battery. Okay, this battery is rechargeable Li-ion battery, 3.7 volts, 900 mAh. So that's the battery that came with it, which is totally dead. But because I have my other action cameras, I'm thinking I can just test that battery in it. So if I take that one out of this, is it the same? It's 3.7, 900. Yes, that is the same battery, so that means you don't have to wait to charge it. Let's get this straight in there and see what we get. Okay, so now let's turn that on. It's come on. Okay, thinking about it. Okay. Okay, when you start here, the battery shows as 1 bar, and then after a few seconds it goes to full. But I'm liking the menu on this, it's slightly different to the other one. Let's do a quick recording. Is it full HD 1080p? Yes. Please insert SD card. Okay, I've got an SD card here. They normally say when you enter a new SD card to format it first. Okay, so if I do that and then do menu mode even. Okay, that's photo mode, no files, resolution, exposure, motion detection, cycle record, video lapse, hey, WDR, don't know what that is, record audio, date stamp, image size, quality. Let's try quality. economy, normal and fine. So I'll put it on fine. Capture mode, sharpness, ISO. Oh, that's interesting. You can control the ISO settings. Okay, so now that's me making a video on it. So this is the wide Argos action camera at 1080p, and this is indoors in decent lighting conditions. Let's see what you. So I'll add that into this video. It's 16 seconds. Just a quick talk. Turn that off. Just take a quick photo. Let's change the mode. 16 megapixels. Take a photo of my blade. Swiss Army knife. You have to keep your hands very steady because it's a small camera, but it feels good. I'm hoping it's as good as my 1080p Goodman's action camera, because that was quite a shock. I bought that from B&M Bargains, and that was for £15 also. I got this from Argos and it was also £15, so I got a cheap deal there. I have seen them listed at $24.99 and $19.99, so check that out. I'll also show you a few more comparisons of the Vibe camera, similar to how I did the Goodmans, so you can see the full range. But as you can see by this, they're all pretty similar in terms of how they look. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so future videos come straight to you.